Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be working on a wood board. I've taped the back so that I'll be able to peel it off for my resin. I'm going to do a resin geode. I did one of these previously. It was white, black, and gold, and it turned out really nice. So today I want to try one but use some blues and turquoise along with my gold and white. So I have a variety of, I have my white fluid acrylic paint, I have my Southern Ocean blue, Prussian blue, and some turquoise. I also have my gold mica pigment that I'm going to be adding, and then some other Prussian blue. And then I also have my stones and my glass shards. So this first one, I got this at Michael's. It's clear on one side and then kind of a mirror finish on the other, so it gives it a nice shimmery reflection. These I got off of eBay. They are just glass chips. And then this third one are stones. So I have some just clear stones. And then I already have my resin mixed up. I also have my heat gun. This gets really hot. It goes anywhere between 400 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. And it has a high and low setting. So I'll be using that to remove air bubbles. I have my gloves. And then I also have my respirator. So I will not be talking all the way through this because I will be wearing this since I'm working with resin. So I already have my resin mixed up. It's 1 part hardener to 1 part resin. And I'm just taking my colors and making up some various shades with the white and the blues. I ended up mixing it up a little bit of the ocean green, and then I decided not to use it. I really liked the Prussian blue and the white together, so I just stuck with those colors. I'm just pouring a little bit of resin into each of my colors. I have quite a bit of white, and then like I said, I'm doing some different shades of blue. I used 1 cup is just straight Prussian blue, and then the other cups are going to be a mix of the blue and white to create a few different shades. And then in my last cup, I'm going to have my gold mica powder that I will also be adding to my piece. Once I had all of my colors mixed up, I started putting some of my clear resin down on my wood surface, and I'm just using that as a glue to adhere my stone and glass chips to it. You can do any design you want. Starting out, I just took a pencil and kind of traced some lines on there so that I could follow them for my design. So I'm going to have a couple of areas of stones, and then I'll start alternating my colors to create some bands of color on around my stone portions. And I like how the glass and the stones are different textures from each other. So I just kind of used a mix of both. I forgot about my other mirrored pieces that I had, so I didn't add any of those, but the stone and the glass look really nice together. I was moving a little bit quickly because with resin you have just a limited amount of time. So I didn't want my resin to start hardening before I was done with my piece. Once I had my stones where I wanted them, I started with the gold and started outlining my pieces. I really like the way that this gold looks once you actually add heat to it. It raises some of those, some of that mica right to the surface, and it creates a really shiny, beautiful color contrast against the blues. Got my gold down, I just started with my dark blue and just started adding that to my design. I then moved on to my lighter shades of blue and then ended the area with some white. I'm just working on this middle portion before working on the outside, but I'll add more color to it. I turned up my heat gun really hot. I started on 400 degrees and it wasn't moving the resin very much, so I kicked it up to I believe 800 all the way up, and then turned it on high, and I really started getting a nice blend between the dark blue and the lighter blues and white, and I also was able to push out a little bit of that gold. And I continued to work with my colors. I added more gold and then started working on the outside. I stuck mainly with the dark blue on the outside, but also added one shade of the lighter blue and then a little bit of white. Overall, I really like this piece. I think these colors would be really beautiful for a beach scene, so I may try something different next time with the resin instead of doing a geode piece. There are so many beautiful ways that you can use this medium to create a beautiful painting. But don't forget gloves and your mask. You really don't want to be breathing in those fumes. If you do end up getting any resin on your skin, you can use rubbing alcohol and a paper towel just to wipe it off. I've found that soap and water does not work. You really need that rubbing alcohol to eat through the resin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you'd like to see more resin geode pieces, I'd love to know what colors you'd like to see. And I do put out 3 videos a week, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications when my videos are released.